Kira kag-ingon siya. Kakauwi lang na. Tanawa lagi jud. Tanawa. Si Dorinil. Ashley. Ashley.
Tawag lang yun niya, namin sa Davao. Sige na, bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Sige. Sige, bye, sige.
25 eh. 25. Ayun, 21 man.
Mag-excuse ka na sa kanya. Kasi ikaw na.
Carry-on baggage must be placed in the overhead compartment, and small carry-on items are to be placed under the seat in front of you. Mga mahal naming panauhin, ito po ay AirAsia Flight 32-615 patungong Davao. Mangyari po lamang na umupo alinsunod sa seat numbers na nasa.
To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life.
To be seated for takeoff.
guests. The seatbelt sign is now off. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt